On the 18th anniversary of the Samjhauta Express bombing, the victim families, mostly the Muslims from Pakistan, have deplored that the Indian government continues to deny justice despite the undeniable evidence about the involvement of the Hindutva outfits in the carnage. On 18th February 2007, 68 innocent passengers, including over 40 Pakistani nationals, were killed in a terrorist attack on the Lahore-bound Samjhauta Express train on the Indian soil. Despite the passage of 18 years, the Indian government has failed to provide justice to the victim families. Farmers in occupied Kashmir say a major government infrastructure drive is taking their deeply cherished land. The report, citing a local farmer, Musaddiq Hussain, as having said that the police destroyed his rice crop when a large chunk of his small holding was expropriated to make way for the highway. Pakistan has emphasized the need to resolve the conflicts in occupied Kashmir and Palestine by allowing the people to exercise the UN promised right to self-determination. Pakistan's Deputy Prime Minister and the Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar, during a special meeting of the OIC ambassadors at the UN, said the principles of the self-determination and the non-acquisition of the territory through the use or threat of the force are fundamental to maintaining the world order. Massive forest fires broke out in the Udhampur and the Tral areas. In the Udhampur's Urlian village, a fire erupted on the Monday afternoon. In South Kashmir's Tral area, a fire broke out in the Pinglish area. The efforts were made to contain the blaze. CPIM leader Prakash Karat has urged the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to fulfill the promise of restoring statehood to occupied Kashmir. Addressing the party's 13th State of the Conference in Jammu, Karat criticized the BJP-led government for undermining democracy, calling the 2019 revocation of the occupied Kashmir's special status a major assault on the constitution.